वज़ीर खजाना मोहम्मद औरंगजेब तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं, आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
Rather than focusing on generalized spending, to make sure that it's results-based and impact-linked financing. और इसमें you have to blend the public, the private, and the philanthropic capital into cohesive outcome-based structures. And that's where, Zafar Khan Sahib, I do want to acknowledge the PCP leadership, because I have had the distinct pleasure and honor of having Naz Akbar Sahiba and Shazi Amjad Sahiba, who with their invaluable field experience and technical guidance in shaping the foundational design of the social impact financing framework. So I just wanted to mention here, because both of you are present here, and thank you for your help, assistance, support, guidance in coming up with that framework. और उसका मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि उसको सिर्फ एकेडमिक लेवल पे नहीं रखा गया है. One of the things which is going to come through very soon is the British Asian Trust, और उसने जो हमें सपोर्ट किया है in designing and launching Pakistan's first skills impact bond, जो NABTEC के थ्रू हो रहा है. And this is very much to promote skills development and move towards sustainable development, so that we get away from, the bank funding and other financing vehicles, and we go into the capital markets and raise financing for these social purposes as we go forward. I just want to conclude by once again congratulating all the award winners as champions of corporate philanthropy, and I do want to wish the PCP the very best in terms of sustaining the culture of giving and presenting best practices models for others to follow. And Zafar Khan Sahib, I'm sure will continue to be your reliable partner. आपने अभी काफ़ी बातें हुई हैं कि टैक्सेशन में और क्या हो सकता है, और इंसेंटिवाइजेशन में और क्या हो सकता है. I give you our full commitment that we are committed to provide all necessary support as you lead the way in guiding, connecting, and recognizing those who give with purpose and responsibility. Once again, I'm grateful for the invitation and wish.
आपको अपडेट कर रहे हैं, वज़ीर खजाना मोहम्मद औरंगजेब तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे. उन्होंने कहा था निजी शोबे की जानिब से फलाह कामों के लिए फंड की दस्तयाबी की कदर निगाह से देखते हैं. कौमों को तरक्की में चैलेंजेस आते रहते हैं, मुत्तहिद होकर ही चैलेंजेस पर काबू पाया जा सकता है. वापस आएंगे शॉर्ट ब्रेक के बाद.